I'm going to share you the tutorial on how to use the snaps and pliers kit. So it's an alternative for instead of sewing the buttons. So this is the kit that I got recently at Amazon. I'll show you on how to use this. Let me show you so what all comes in this. Okay, tools. So this is the main tool that it comes with, and then this is the manual that they have given along with this kit, and these are the additional things that comes for the tool. These are the tweezers and the screwdrivers, and here comes the multicolored snaps. It has 3 parts, so I'm going to show you now how to use this kit. And like before taking the tutorial, I have already made one of that, so I'll show you how it is used. So this is the back side of the fabric, for which I use this one and also this on top of it, and for the front side has the same thing, and again there is an additional piece that stick to it. So I have taken the next set of snaps that I'm going to use on the same fabric to like make them like a button. So I made a hole on the front side of the fabric and then just push this button thing, and then so this is the other thing that goes on the back of this. And now it's time to use the tool to flatten this sharp thing. So you see that how it gets flattened. That's how you do on the other side too. As I mentioned earlier, I made a mark that I'm going to use this now. So this one will go in the back. You have to use some pressure. And as I said, this is the other piece that goes here, and use the tool again to flatten the sharp thing, and that's it. The other side of the button is also ready, so just press it. So this is how it's easy to work on the snaps rather than using the buttons. Thank you for watching.